In the last 12 months, I've earned $198,000 just working from this laptop. And the amazing thing is, I didn't have to invent any products. I didn't have to buy loads of stock that I needed to sell. I didn't need to invest large sums of money into some crazy business ideas. All I did was I recommended products to people who were probably already going to buy those products, and I just earned a small commission from each of those sales. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's taken me from zero to earning almost multiple six figures in 12 months. And now I receive daily commissions like this, like this, like this, and like this. Constant commissions coming in through my PayPal and my inbox every single day. I worked out before, I actually made an average of over $550 every single day last year just from affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is an amazing business model because it's a low barrier to entry. You don't need to invest in any stock. You don't need to set a shop up or buy loads of stuff from China or anything like that. It's really easy to get into, and if you know how to do it, you can absolutely make a fortune from it. So what I've decided to do is host a free live training session to everyone watching this video. It's going to be taking place on Saturday the 2nd of March. Where I'm going to be revealing all of my secrets on how I went from zero to six figures in 12 months from affiliate marketing. If you're interested in watching that live training, all you need to do is just register below. Just click on the link below this video, register, save your spot, turn up, and I'm going to provide so much free value. It's going to be off the scale. I'm going to be sharing with you how to find products that you can promote as an affiliate, products which other people aren't promoting, products which aren't on affiliate networks. I've got some really cool secret tips that will really help you with that. I'm going to show you how you can upscale from zero to six figures in 12 months without increasing your workload or budget, which is going to be super valuable. And I'm going to reveal to you how to beat the competition and how to win affiliate competitions. So you'll know that I recently won a worldwide top affiliate competition because I made the most sales. I'm going to show you the secrets behind that and how you can beat almost any other person just by doing a couple of little things when you're promoting your affiliate products. And I'm also going to show you how to get thousands of dollars of free traffic so you don't have to spend a penny on paid advertising. And I'm going to reveal the secrets behind that only in this free live training taking place on Saturday the 2nd of March. So if you are interested, just click on the link below, sign up to that, and save your free spot because it is going to be epic. Honestly, there's going to be so much value that I'm going to be providing in this free live session. It's going to be off the scale. And also at the end of this live training, I'm going to be announcing the launch of my six-figure affiliate bootcamp, which is a training program like nothing you've seen. And everyone that attends that live training on Saturday is going to get a super special invite to my bootcamp. So you cannot afford to miss it. You're literally leaving thousands of dollars on the table if you do not turn up to my free live training session on Saturday. So make sure you're there. Look forward to seeing everyone there, and yeah, see you later. Bye. Cheers, guys.